Let's talk about the camera bundle. So the camera bundle consists of the 1.5" HHVP, which is the handheld video pro. So what this is, it's a camera with a sound combination. So when you take a look at this head that screws onto the end of that cable, there's a little coil built in here that's always going to emit and tell this, actually, the cam scan, where it is. So again, when you have a camera, a lot of times you just want to back up what you heard. A lot of times you just want to inspect something. So again, this camera can get through 1.5" 90s. It can get past many fittings. It also has a dye injector. It has a guide that goes on the end of it. It's fully recordable. So we can, again, it comes with a USB drive, or it comes with a slot drive that you could put in, and you could record your voice, and you could record what's happening. You actually play it back right on the camera for a customer. Again, it acts as a TV monitor as well. So if you see something, you want to show something to the customer, or whether you want to email it to them, you could pull it out and you could send it right to them. But let's talk about the function. Again, it has a screen shade on it. So when you're working in direct sunlight, it's going to block a lot of that out and keep a lot of that from so that you could see the screen and you could see it clearly. A lot of the lighting functions, again, you can adjust the LED lights that are on the end of this camera head. That's very important. A lot of times we can get shining in there. We're going to reflect on water. So sometimes it's good to actually control your lighting up or down, or wherever you want. Fully recordable, has all your playback, has a full menu, and lets you do basically everything that you need to do. Again, but the most important part is again, this is on. It's always going to tell the cam scan, which you're literally scanning the ground up to 25 feet in depth, as to exactly where it is. So if you get to a fitting, if you see a broken pipe, if you see a cracked pipe, if it uses a combination with our cam vac, and you see exactly where air or where water is penetrating a pipe under vacuum technology, the camera head's going to be there. So you could always find the camera head with the cam scan as well. So let's talk about the functions of the actual cam scan. Again, remember, this is a sound locator. It will actually always find that camera head. So when we fire it up, this will control brightness up and down, and this will control volume up and down, and you could also change frequencies. No need to change frequencies from the original factory setting of when it actually fires up. Again, down will change, and again, it's just going to go by the percentage as you go up and as you go down. And it comes with the coil, it comes with the rechargeable cable. Again, the rechargeable cable will go in over here, and you could charge it. I like to charge them overnight. You can't overcharge these. Another thing is if you want to hear without background noise, you could plug headphones. Most of the headphones from the headphone jacks from all the LeakTronics equipment will literally plug right in here. So again, if you're working in a very loud environment, you can actually put the closed headphones on over your head and get going. This thing is very durable. Again, it doesn't come with a case because it's so durable. So what you want to do is just kind of throw it somewhere in the back of your truck where it's not going to get, it's going to be, enclosed, not direct sunlight. You never want to put any electronics in direct sunlight, but you want to maybe put it in the back cab of a truck. You don't want to actually put it in the bed of the truck. You don't want to crush this thing. But again, it's very durable, made of very durable plastic, and that's what we got.